Amanda, and she's 4 years old. Today, we're going to make milk and mango jello. First, we're going to need Jello, and then we're going to need some milk, and then we're going to need a cup, and then some mangoes, and then a mixing bowl with mixing things, which my sister's going to do later, and tilted cups on a tray. And don't forget gelatin! What's gelatin? There's gelatin in this bag. Gelatin is the thing that's in the bag. It makes it bouncy like Jello. Got it, Amanda? So that's what gelatin is. The mango juice you can buy from Costco. So we're gonna use the mango juice that we bought. We're gonna use the mango juice that we bought and pour it into 1 cup where you see that one thing. All ready?
Where's the one?
No, on the mixing cup, Amanda. It's like an egg. Now we've got 1 cup of mango juice in the measuring cup. Now, Amanda, pour it into the mixing bowl. Careful, hold it up. Okay, and pour. Okay, now we're gonna pour in some gelatin. Now we have 1 bag of gelatin. Mommy helped me open it, and we're gonna pour it into the mango juice. Carefully, just sprinkle it around. Okay, good. Now, Amanda, you mix it really well. Here, I'll help. Mix it really well. Now it's all mixed in. Now we're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute. It means 60 seconds.
What?
60 seconds is not a long time. See? Now we took it out of the oven. It's a little hot, you can feel.
What's this?
And we have the fresh mango things my mom got mango. And then we're gonna pour in the mango juice in the Vitamix. Careful. It's a bit hot. Now I'm going to put the fresh mango in. Oh, this. Okay, now Amanda, watch me put it on the on button.
I take out my thumb. 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 I take out.
Okay, now we're just gonna pour it back in. Now it's really good. Now I still see the fresh mango pieces. To make our mango have a nice shape, we're going to tilt the cups. You should tilt them, Amanda. Okay, now we're gonna pour it in. Be careful. There's a lot of mango juice and a little cup. Amanda, we're gonna put in the fridge. How many hours? 16. That's almost the whole day, Amanda. We're gonna have to be waiting. And remember, later we're gonna have to go peach picking. Remember? So it can't be the whole day. So let's put it in for 3 hours, okay? Yeah. So then my mom will put it in because we're gonna spill. We already did before. 3 hours has passed and we came to look on them and we saw that they were like tilted because we tilted them and now they can't come out. Let's touch it. It's very jello-y. Now our mango jello is finished. Now we're gonna make the milk jello. So 1 cup of milk. Now we're gonna pour on the milk. All of it. Then not yet, Amanda. Then the sugar. Mix it really well now. And now gelatin. Sprinkle it. Okay, now mix it really well. That's kind of like dough now. Now everything is mixed. We're gonna put it in the microwave for 1 minute and then put it in the fridge for 3 hours. Now we took it out of the oven. Now we're gonna put in the white milk for the other one. Good. See? Now we're gonna put it in the fridge for another 3 hours.
Just put it in the for 16 hours.
You know that we don't have that much time.
Hello everybody, we just come from peach picking. We got a lot of the peach and we also have things for dinner to eat tonight.
Yeah, and for our dessert for dinner, it's gonna be the Jellos. They're super duper bouncy, so they're real Jello.
Okay, go ahead your phone.
And then watch. And then watch. Now we're gonna decorate our Jellos. First, we're gonna put some mangoes on the top.
Whoa.
Very bouncy.
Very
Very beautiful.
Like I don't
And later we put on the one leaf in the middle. Very pretty. How Candola. How Candola. Yeah.
Now we take another slice. Mommy,
Come on, Amanda.
Keep
Let's
going.
see if yours looks good. Guys. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna pick up the leaf. They're very
good people. It's kind of like a house.
Amanda, that's too much. You can't have 4. You need to have 3. Actually, yeah. Okay. That's good.
It's kind of like a house.
Another spoon. 1, 2, 3.
Ta-da! But we still have leftover mangoes. We cannot eat them. Do anything.
We can eat them. And also we finished the 3 trays. We finished the 2 trays. Each tray has 3 of them. We have 3 cups. 6 cups in total.